In this segment, I want to demonstrate the steps required to do a factory reset for the 554 series Rola-Chem controller. And you would probably want to do this if you want to get the computer back to the factory settings. So to do that, you want to turn the unit off. So by hitting the mode button to PH and holding it down, you turn the unit off. Then what you want to do is when you hold the pH calibration button and the set level button at the same time and hit the mode button once, LD will appear in both windows. Then you want to turn the unit off again. So hit the mode button back to pH, hold it down, and turn the unit off. Now when you turn the unit back on, the computer is going to be back at the factory settings. So the factory settings on pH right now, set level is 7.4. The feed time is 0.6, which is a little over half a second. The high alert is 8.0, and the low is 7.0. The factory settings for ORP, the set level is 650. The feed time again is 0.6 seconds, which is a little over half a second. The high alert is 900, and the low alert is 100. That's how you change the computer back to the factory settings. We hope this maintenance made easy video helped you. Should you have additional questions, please visit our website for additional videos or contact your local Rola-Chem products dealer or call us at Rola-Chem Customer Service.